would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind.
Hey guys, good morning. It is the next day and today is going a little better than it was yesterday, because I remember this time yesterday it was chaos. I was very anxious and in my head a little bit. Today it's not so bad. Aiden did take like a 30-minute nap earlier in the morning, but I fed him and put him down to sleep, and he has been asleep for, let me see, the app. He's been asleep for 1 hour and 9 minutes right now. I am going to let him sleep for about 1 hour 40-ish, or maybe I'll let him go 2 hours, but I won't let him do another 2 hour sleep for the rest of the day. But because I need to like pick up the house a bit, I'm figuring since he connected his sleep cycle, thank God, I'm just gonna let him sleep for the 2 hours and just try to pick up the house real fast and then wake him up. And then we have some exciting things. I realized that yesterday my to-do list was stressing me out with the fact that he wasn't sleeping. Today I woke up and I'm like, you know what, I'm just going to enjoy my son, even though it's a hard time for both of us, because he is learning new stuff, so you know his brain is going through all of the process, which is exciting for both him and me, but it's also a rough process getting to the other side. I just decided I'm going to enjoy him, you know, and if it means sitting down on the couch all day, then so be it today. And I realized that because I woke up with no intention of getting anything done off my to-do list, mark you, I still have the to-do list, and if I can I will, but I didn't get up with a drive to say, you know what, I must do these things today while being a mom. I think that has caused my anxiety to like go down a bit. And then of course once Aiden is out of his sleep and he is sleeping or napping better, he sleeps perfect at night, but like the naps are a struggle, like I've been saying. Once the naps get better, then I'll get to my to-do list and I will do my workouts either at night when Adam is home, so Adam can attend to him if he cries, or wake up early in the morning just before he wakes up. And chances are if I even wake up at 6 a.m. he's going to wake up shortly after. So I just gotta try a few things and be flexible with it, instead of saying this is the rigid thing and it must go this way. So that has caused me less anxiety today. So I'm going to just quickly pick up this kitchen. I have already eaten breakfast before 12 p.m. oh my god, and I washed a lot of his bottles and pacifiers. I'm going to sterilize those in the microwave, and now I'm going to clean up the kitchen from breakfast. Not a lot of dishes because Adam did dishes last night. So yeah, and we have an exciting box to open. I got his kiwi crate box, so his kiwi coal box. We're going to open that together once he's awake and introduce him to some new toys. But let me just hurry. You know they say make haste while the sun shines. I'm going to make haste while the baby sleeps right now. He is still fast asleep. Let me show. Okay, the monitor fell and I'm sure this kid is now awake. He isn't, but he is sound asleep there, as you can see. So let me just pick up the kitchen.
I'm acting surprised, but I know I'm not over you. Keep missing our fights, even though they're so overdue. We had a fire, now we're watching it burn low. Isn't it time we go our separate ways? Not enough time, not enough time. I'm falling behind, I hate to separate my body and mind, my body and mind. You I'm falling behind. I hate to separate my body and mind, my body and mind. You feel like demons in my mind, demons in my mind. You taste like demons in my mind, demons pushing all my triggers, demons pushing all my triggers.
Alright guys, I think my race against the clock is finished. I picked up the house and right now I'm just trying to like comb my hair out, and I'll basically be ready for Aiden when he wakes up with nothing else to do like right now. I would love to like edit a video, but editing was not on my to-do list for yesterday or today, so I am trying not to like focus on that, but just rather pick up the house, sort myself out a bit, and you know, to just get a break. Because let's be honest, even though as moms we love our children, sometimes you just need 2 seconds, right? Let me get the baby monitor. He is still fast asleep. But yeah guys, like real mom talk, like sometimes you just want 2 seconds to yourself, if it's even not to be super productive, but just either to take a nap yourself or eat something without having to rush through it or have another human being pinned to your body, or just enjoy an episode of your favorite show on TV or whatever the case may be. Like whatever makes you, I'm sure like that does not disappear once you become a mom. Like you still want to do those things for yourself. So when you have a baby that is really just having a hard time like napping and all of that, it can be overwhelming for parents, especially if you have no help. Because if you're new here, I live in Japan, away from family and friends, as you would imagine. It's only me and my husband here, so when he's not here at home to, you know, offer extra hands and stuff like that, it becomes really overwhelming because it's just me and I'm a human being and I want to get things done for myself, and I cannot just call my mom or a friend and say, hey, can you watch Aiden for 3 hours while I try to get XYZ done. It's not an option. And here in Japan, they do have services available where you could get persons to come to your home to help you with like cooking or maybe grocery shopping and all of that. But the problem with that for me is really, one, I don't eat Japanese food, and a Japanese person coming into my home would not necessarily know how to cook the food that we cook and eat, so that doesn't make sense for that reason. Second, I am now online grocery shopping, so like having someone going to the grocery store, no, and you know, I know the things that I want in the Japanese grocery store. To explain all of that to a Japanese person, might as well I order whatever I want myself, you know what I mean? That's the second point. Third point, I don't speak Japanese, so communicating with this person, I'm imagining that it would be so difficult. So that is just not an option for me. I guess they could just come and like take Aiden and like keep him for a few hours, but I don't know if I want Aiden in the arms of anybody else before he goes to daycare. I'm still having a hard time deciding whether or not I want to go to work like in May, because in Japan I can have up to Aiden's first birthday off. Not maternity leave, childcare leave. They're separate. So you have maternity leave here in Japan for 6 weeks before your due date and 8 weeks after the baby is born, and then the day after maternity leave ends, you can start childcare leave or child raising leave, just time off to raise your child for up until the child is 1 year old. In the beginning, me and Adam, we were talking about it, and we were saying obviously because Adam is the only one working right now, like the household income has decreased by one person's salary, so we were saying we still have saving goals and all of that. So like we were saying, I'll do 5 months off until Aiden is like 5 months or 6 months, because that's typically the age when daycares accept babies. In some situations they can be accepted earlier, but typically most daycares want like a 5-month-old baby and older. So I would stay off work until like around May when he's 5 months, and then we put him in daycare and then I'll go back to work. But off late, you guys, I have, even though the days are difficult, as you got a touch of yesterday, I really like being at home with my baby. And to think about missing, you know, important development, like this leap that he's going through right now is just the second of many leaps that he'll be going through in his first year of life. And you know, to miss a leap when he comes out crawling or doing other stuff, I don't know. I don't want anybody calling me on the phone to say, oh, your baby crawled or your baby said dada or whatever. I want to be the one to hear it and see it, you know what I mean? So more and more I have been thinking that I might take the full year off work and then just go back to work in November after Aiden turns 1 year old. We have talked about it, and Adam does not mind at all. He said to me, I am up for anything you think is best, especially for your own mental health and sanity, as long as we find a way to make the finances work. Plus, on childcare leave, so maternity leave in some circumstances here in Japan, it is not paid, but childcare leave is paid 60% of the salary. So currently I'm not getting any salary while on maternity leave, but once I transfer to childcare leave, which I'm currently on because my maternity leave ended maybe a week ago, I get 60% of my salary. So 60% of my salary plus Adam's salary should be able to cover us enough where I could stay off until November, you know what I mean? So it's definitely to each his own. If you're in Japan and you have kids and you know you cannot afford to like be off work for an entire year, I totally get it. But if you can, I would say like the 40% of pay that I will be missing is worth it to stay at home with my baby and watch him develop, you know what I mean? So that is where I'm at. And sorry that the glass, like it's the glass is in 3 sections, so that is why you're seeing me, like, it looks as if the glass is broken, but it's not. But yeah, that is what's happening. So now I'm actually ready to wake the baby, and since he's not awake or crying, oh, what am I doing? I just comb my hair only to be putting on my bonnet. Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yeah. It's okay. You can sleep again later. Wow. It's okay. It's okay. Aiden. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Shh. Whew. So
kids for most of the day today, so that's it.
I am going to catch up on a YouTube video I've been watching since morning while I feed Aiden, and then I'll catch up with you guys when I'm opening his new toy box. Okay guys, so I am on the floor with Aiden. I'm trying to do a little bit of playtime before he has to go down for his next nap. So I am going to use this opportunity to open his new play box. So his new box of toys just came in, and it is the Panda Crate from Kiwiko. And no, this video is not sponsored by Kiwiko. I paid for this box with my very own money, but I wanted to open the box with Aiden for the first time just to get his first impressions about the toys. Yeah, new toys. I know. No, I'm the worst at opening boxes. I actually don't know the first thing to do. Yeah, honey. Mommy can open boxes, huh? I know. Guys, let me just talk you through what this is while I try to open the box. So basically, when it came on to what toys Aiden was going, what toys you were going to offer to Aiden, we decided to use developmentally friendly toys. And yes, he will eventually be at that stage where he plays with all sorts of stuff in the house, but from a parental point of view, we wanted to ensure that we were introducing to him toys that would aid. Let's go, woo, toys that would aid in his development. And so while researching, we came across KiwiCo, and we did come across Love Every too, but Love Every does not ship to Japan, unfortunately, but thankfully KiwiCo does. So that is why we decided to go with the KiwiCo Panda Crate boxes. Not that Love Every isn't great, or not that KiwiCo isn't great. They are both the same thing, where they basically do the research and just give you the toys that suits your baby at the developmental age that they are right now. So Adam and I decided to invest in toys like this for Aiden at this stage. So yeah, we're opening the box, and because I want to introduce stuff to Aiden, I won't go through like and explain all the contents of the box until after I put him down for the nap. I just want to show him the things that are in there to see if he likes anything. But the first thing we have here is a board book, and this feels really sturdy. Oh, pillow. Do you like it? Huh? Do you like it, Aiden? Yeah. I was most excited for this thing. This is what I'm most excited about, to be honest. It's like a play mirror. Oh, that opens up, and it can basically put it in front of him like this, and he can see everything. Aiden. It comes with this manual here that will tell me how to use all of this. I'll get into it, but he seems to like it so far. He's holding his head up. Yeah, but he hates tummy time. I think majority of babies hate tummy time. Hey, Aiden. Hey, look. Wow, what's this? Chico. Yeah, I know. Chico. Guys, he's following the car. Chico. Okay, let's get you up then. Let's get you up. It's okay. We can try again. Look, who is that baby? Who is that baby? Huh? Who is that baby? You almost ready for your nap? You ready for your nap? See that? That's a sleepy cue right there. So we're going to start his nap time routine right now. So the first step is to put him in his sleep sack before he starts getting upset. Today we're trying out a sleep sack instead of a swaddle. Cha! Let's go. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. Alright, so Aiden is done for his, I think this is nap number 3, but I'm going to call it number 2 since the first one was like half an hour. But anyway, nap number 3, we'll see how this nap goes. But I'm going to fix myself some food to eat for lunch. More of a late lunch kind of, because it's, what time is it? It's 2:35 p.m. But yeah, basically today oh wow, there's no rice in this pot. No rice in this pot, but it's enough to get me through lunch. Basically today, as you can see, I'm in a much better mood. Also going to try to finish watching the YouTube video that is only 25 minutes long that I've been watching from morning. But you know, being a mom, everything gets cut in chunks. You cannot do anything just straight like that anymore. So I'm gonna sit, enjoy my lunch, and talk to you guys soon. So he's up from his nap and we are currently just standing at the door looking outside, but because it's cold I have him in
Really cute.
his little blanket.
Valentine's.
Huh, Hayden?
Target with Presley.
Say hello.
Out a bunch of treats
Hello everyone.
for her friends at school.
Say hello.
Treat bag.
Say hi. Hi.
Got some stuff to mix a little teacher. With
You don't want to talk?
goodie buckets for the teachers. Yes, those
Huh?
two.
No talking for Aiden?
Yeah, and then we got these for Landon to make for his
Yeah. Hello.
easy DIY teacher gift.
Hello.
Dollar Tree pail. Fill it with shredded paper.
Hello. Pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you making me wanna try forever, and I feel so free. Oh, my sweet baby.
General idea. I think
Hey, that was your song, you know. That's the song mommy and daddy have for you. Cause you made all the things. What did song say? Yeah, he glued all the pieces back together, man.
Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free. Oh, my sweet baby.
Hey guys, it is 2 days later and I forgot that I did not close out the video. So that is what I'm doing right now with my little man. Today is the last day of his second leap, and to be honest, like people always say, it's like clockwork because their behaviors change like suddenly, and it's true because he's having such a better day today in terms of naps and all of that. But he's been taking all of his naps on me so far because we went out on the road, got my workout stuff finally, and this morning I needed some extra sleep, so we actually napped together because I was just fearful that he was gonna wake up in half an hour and I just couldn't. I just needed a solid nap, so we napped together. He seems really happy today, so I'm hoping that when I put him down to sleep, he's gonna sleep. Right, Aiden? Right? Right? Yeah? Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Of course, if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you're new and you would love to stay around, and comment down below, let me know what you guys have been up to. That's it for now. Until next time, see you in my next video. Bye guys. Do you want to say bye? Say bye guys. Say bye guys. Oh, you lift it in your hand. Say bye guys. You're not saying bye? Say say bye.
Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby.